Hello guys, it's me Chelsea. I am the creator of Blissfully Bubbly, the wellness and lifestyle blog, coming at you with another organic, all-natural, healthy-based product review. Today I'm actually going to be reviewing the Color Intense lipstick from Beauty Counter. So if I can get that, there you go. So it's going to be this one. I was told about this product from a friend who is a rep. Pretty much she knows I love more of the healthy, natural beauty products, and I decided to check it out. And I've been struggling to find a good lipstick that has a really good color that actually stays on my lips and keeps them moisturized, that is more safe to use, less chemicals. And I checked the website out and I found this one, and I really liked it because on their box, this is their mission. Our mission is to get safer products into the hands of everyone. When formulating our products, we prohibit the use of over 1,500 harmful or questionable ingredients. And it really does an amazing job. So it'll come in this box, and I got it in the color Backstage, which is the color that's on my lips now. I love it. And it smells like peppermint, but it does have another scent, though I don't remember what it was, that you can use. And pretty much it's like set up like any other lipstick, and you can literally just turn it up to use it. Literally, you just apply one swipe on your lips and the color is there. Like, you don't have to use liner and make sure it stays in the lines. I only have to apply it like once and the color is like bright and it's perfect. It's not a matte finish. This is more of like a regular lipstick finish, so a little bit of a shine to it, but nothing like crazy where it's smearing everywhere. This smells like peppermint, and the peppermint smell is incredible. It creates like a nice little tingling sensation on your lips like when you first put it on, which I love. It keeps my lips super moisturized through the day. I only have to reapply chapstick once later in the day, but I can normally eat and this is still on my lips, which is shocking because it has less chemicals than any other lipstick I've ever used, so that's pretty cool. It was really easy to get. You pretty much just use Beauty Counter website, and if you have like a rep or someone, you can enter their information, and sometimes they have codes and stuff like that to help with discounts. And it arrived within like a week. It was really fast shipping. But yeah, I'm loving this product so far, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because I didn't know if anyone else was struggling to find a really good color intense lipstick, and this one lives up to its name. It's really great stuff. So yeah, I'm definitely going to probably be ordering more of these. I haven't tried any other products, though I did get 2 samples of things, so I'm probably going to check those out too and see if I want them. One of them was a balm, and then the other one, I can't even remember. I think it was a lotion that I got. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted and let you know how it goes. If you guys want more organic natural body products that you can check out, go to blissfullybubbly.com and stay tuned for more product reviews.